Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Java string manipulation is tricky. We can solve this array concatenation problem quickly by analyzing how each loop processes the given indices. First, look at segment 1. It tries to add 2 different words in every single iteration of the loop, which totally messes up the order and the final count of strings. Next, segment 2 uses a simple while loop starting from the end of the array. It correctly appends each word back to the start index, making it a perfect solution here. Finally, segment 3 reverses the array, then grabs the necessary words. This logic works perfectly, so both 2 and 3 are correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps carefully for success.